Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to use this function in Microsoft Excel. So in the previous video, I showed you how to import data from the internet. I'm using the same data, but added a new column in D, where I've converted column C's text into numbers. So I want to create 4 groupings: massive, big, medium or small. I'm going to do this using this function. So without further ado, let's get into it. So hit the equals key and type ifs. And then the first condition, so if D2 is greater or equal to 500,000, I want it to return massive. So always put your terms in speech marks. So the next argument after hitting the comma will be D2 greater or equal to 250,000. And I want this to be big. So the next argument, so always hit, so when you want to add a new argument, hit the comma, make sure you hit the comma. So the next argument will be if D2 greater or equal to 100,000. I want it to return medium. And then finally, if D2 is smaller than 100,000, I want it to return small. Now I know what people are going to say, well, 100,000 for a city is still a big city. I know, but this is just for educational purposes. So, right, we're going to get into dragging this down. And as you can see, it's already sorted on population size, so highest to lowest. So formula's worked. You just look at the formula in the bar. So if I wanted to know how many are small, how many are massive, how many are big, I could just do this by a simple pivot table. So I'll just put size in rows and then the counter size in values. And that is how you would do a grouping using this function on Microsoft Excel.